Hey guys, Tate here with Yukon Gear and Axle. Again, coming to talk to you about a really critical tool to have if you're doing differential work. The Yukon Crosspin Bolt Extractor Kit. This easy kit comes with a 12-inch drill bit, two 5/16 hollowed out drill guide bolts, a tapered bolt extractor, and a spiral bolt extractor. Sometimes when you're removing the crosspin bolt on your carrier, you end up removing only a piece of the bolt, leaving a piece behind that blocks you from removing the unit. That's when the extractor kit comes in handy, so you're not left looking for 4 differential tools in the garage, or better yet, hitting the local hardware store to find what you need. Simply drill a quick hole in the leftover crosspin bolt piece with our drill bit provided in the kit, using one of the 5/16 drill guide bolts to keep the drill bit level. Then, use the tapered or spiral bolt extractor to either punch or twist in and remove that broken little piece. 5 minutes to make what could have been a diff disaster, simple and easy. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch today, and good luck on your next project.